Hey folks, it's Ben here. Just moving some stuff around the garage, getting ready for some winter projects. And I got the CRX out and scooting it around, and I was thinking it'd be kind of cool to do a video on this thing, because I got some footage from Mid-Ohio when I was doing an instructor weekend. And the thing was a blast. It's an awesome car. It's bone stock B16 swapped. And it's just so much driving fun because it weighs nothing, it has no power, and you can really beat it. So I'll do a little go around on it, and we'll throw some clips in from Mid-Ohio and see what you guys think. Suspension setup's pretty basic on this thing. I don't remember what brand dampeners it has on it, but I just run an iBox springs and stock sway bars. It does have a lot of spherical bushings on it, so it has been gone through. It's not stock in that sense, but it handles like it's on rails. I think it could definitely use a thicker sway bar in the rear, but just tossing the DDC 60 front pads on it and going out and just beating the thing, it was a blast. It's definitely a momentum car. I wasn't doing very many passes at Mid-Ohio, but God, it was nice to drive something that's reliable and not an old race car trying to chase down problems the whole weekend. So just a lot of fun, these CRXs. Well, hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully we'll be making some more videos like this. We're not really sure what direction the channel's going yet, but we're just having fun doing car things. So thanks for watching.